Good morning. The time now is 6:20. I'm going to a Krantzkloof Nature Reserve for the waterfall hike. I think it's one of their shortest hikes. It's only about an hour, so I'm just gonna do that quickly. Yeah, stick around, stick around, stick around. Yeah, let's go do this. It's 6:30 now. Should be back by 7:30, 7:45, I think. Yeah. All right, I'm done paying. It was 70 rand for one adult, and I'm doing the purple. So the waterfall is the purple. They have two waterfalls, but the one I wanted to do is the purple color. Yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Teeth Waterfalls Trail. There are so many waterfalls around here, I get confused sometimes. Bridges. Yep, it is. It's a bridge. Okay, it's not our trail. Oh man. So that bridge goes to another trail. Trail closed. Okay, this is not for us. I can still go up there. Yeah. So this is me on the bridge. Not even 5 minutes in. I'm already breathing like this. Whew. This is going up, by the way. If you can't see on the screen. The steep incline. I'm sure at some point it will flatten out. So you invest up front and then you enjoy later. I hear voices. Oh my god, why? It's flat now. So I'm done with the incline. Oh my god. Yeah, that was steep. Alright. I think this is a viewpoint. Let me check it out. You can see a waterfall there. It is a lookout point, and this is what you see from here. And the waterfall is there. Yeah, right there. I think at some point we'll need to go down. Alright. Oh, that's the other group there. Let's have any group. We're still going up. Up and up and up and up. Now we're going down, which means we're going to the bottom of the waterfall to look at it from there. Alright, this is gonna be another steep descent. And then I'm guessing, I don't know if we'll come, but we can't come up this way again. Yeah, maybe there's another route going back to the car. So now we're walking down to the waterfall. Oh, this is so cool. Oh man, this is beautiful. I think I'm just gonna sit here. But then if I sit on these rocks, then I'm not looking at the rocks. This is so cool. Look at that. Oh, it goes in. Let's go there. You see all this water here. It's coming from these rocks. You see that? Those drops. Alright, going back now. So this is just a stop to on your way to the waterfall. It's not the main attraction. It's really, really cool. Oh my god, what is this? Woo! Black candle and a red one. I have some voodoo stuff was happening here. Oh man, I don't know. Black and red. Those are not good colors. You know, they're not colors of luck or good things, you know. Oh man. I think someone took someone's man. And the black one is to get your man back. Ah. Oh, there's also a white one here and a banana. Okay, this and money. So this looks like an offering. Okay, this makes sense. You know, like white candles, money, some food. That looks like an offering. But red. Ay. No way, bro. Oh. And that is the waterfall. Bye, waterfall. Bye. I think we're heading back now. We should be heading back, since this was the main attraction. You can tell it's been here for ages. There's the bridge here. Back. This might be the shortest trail they have here at Krantzkloof. It's the Mphiti Waterfall Purple Trail. Yeah, it's really good. It's really good, especially for what you see. The waterfall and those rocks. Really worth the climb up. And this is the Purple Trail. This is the waterfall here, and then you come back. So it could very well be the shortest. It says here 1.5 Ks and 0.4. So I think it's 2K in total. Yeah, which feels just about right. Yeah. I think this is a dry area. After a nice long hike, easy. Let me check the time. So it's 7:55. I think I started at 6:30. Was it 6:30? Yeah, I think it was 6:30. So there was an hour and 20 minutes, if I'm not mistaken. Or 25 minutes. Which is not bad. It's not bad at all. Yeah, going home now.